Hi guys, hello DIYers. It's another lovely Saturday outside. It's Saturday, it's my DIY time and also my family time. What I have today here on my vents, this is aluminum casings. It's a small one, and I intended this for the Class A power amplifier. Hold on, is it burning now? Sorry.
Did you hear that, guys? It says, is it burning now? Wow, that's not cool. But it's the real world performance of the Class A power amplifier. It generates a lot of heat that sometimes it defies the human mind assumption. Hey guys, it's Ferdinand once again, and welcome to the Class A power amplifier project. And in this video, we will take a look at the Class A power amplifier that is 5 watt per channel, that is designed by an audio legend, Nelson Pasta. And we will take a look at and explore the casing design with the minimum heatsink. When I say that, I'm not talking about this one or this one, definitely not this one. Wow, it's a big heatsink in here. But this one, this is a small casing. This is 18 by 5 by 20 cm, and take a look at the comparison. Is it really possible to make use of this small heatsink for the Class A power amplifier? Let's see that.
Aside from that, I'm going to make the front panel display in here. This front panel display to be attractive by adding a push button switch in here with an HMI LCD display. Really?
Doing DIY and video blogging is not always perfect actually. Well, my public enemy number one in this project is the heat. That heat that is generated by the Class A power amplifier, no matter there is an input signal or not. And the real problem is that how to dissipate this without a large heatsink. So the only thing I can do right now is to do the real world test. Test here, test here, test here, test there, test here, test there. It's a non-stop test. You know, these birds has been sacrificed. If they get burned, that is just fine. They're actually made for this purpose. It's a part of the bake test of the shake, bake, rather and roll test. For the K-type sensor, I put it just beneath the thermostat, making sure that what the thermostat can read is also the K-type sensor can read. Like at low temperature, below 55 degrees, the thermostat is open. It is actually a normally open type thermostat. And when 55 degrees or above is sensed on the casing, then the thermostat will be activated and it closed circuit. Hence, as you can see on the ohm meter reading, it reads a very low resistance. Let's see this. What about if I need to put an exhaust fan and it looks like cooler? Well, what about if I'm going to add a heatsink on both sides like this one? Well, it's a little bit improvement, but I'm not really sure it's a good idea since originally I wanted to make use of a casing with a minimum heatsink. Wow, it's really a challenge actually.
This is the temperature versus time. As you can see that it goes up to 67 degrees right now. And this is the current being consumed from the power supply. That's it. That is at 24 volts. And the total current of the left and right channel is about 1.742. A feeding sine wave input from these AF generators, and the current temperature right now is 65 degrees centigrade. Let me take it power off and then power it on again. Just want to make it sure that it is correct, 65 degrees centigrade. And if you're gonna see what's inside, it is let's say this one is a left channel and that is one a right channel, and that is how the class A power amplifier. So what I'm going to do right now is that I need to improve the heat dissipation of this class A power amplifier, and I'm going to disassemble this keyboard here and try to make a hole, small hole here as a kind of gas hole or airflow, so that the heat dissipation will be much better. Also, I'm going to make the back panel to provide the RCA jack and also the speaker terminals. So where should I start? I'm going back to my notes. I need to start at least to put some kind of design stuff here, so that at least I can see before I will do it in the actual of my class A power amplifier casing. So let's do that. Very small design, you call it design. It's okay, ma? No problem? Sure. Okay, that's very nice. Finally. The only way to find out the effectiveness of the improvement on the casing is to perform a soak test on long reliability in a real scenario, like using it in the real world. Alright, let's set it up and listen to the fidelity of the music while checking the temperature performance. But wait guys, why I need to redesign the heat sinking, making use of a lightweight heat sink despite I have this macho casing here, that so-called Barako case in the Philippines, looks very strong. Well, the answer to that is I'm just a DIYer that I can think out of the box, something non-standard, maybe something new or something weird, but it's still acceptable. I think that it won't endanger other person or other human life, but it has something to do with safety and fire hazard, which is why I have to incorporate an intelligent microcontroller to manage and take care of the issue, the heat and fail-safe. Let's talk about this in another video with the use of Arduino solution. This must be an interesting topic guys, so stay tuned. Long story short, I achieved an entry-level success with my project, and that's the reason why I am proud to showcase it to my friends, to audio hobbyists, Arduino lovers, and you know what? I even showcase in the Arduino Day and in the Maker Fair in the Philippines. I'm talking about the nice acoustic performance of this amplifier as a Class A power amplifier, how to implement and control fail-safe in the project using a microcontroller, real application of Arduino, that kind of a temperature data gathering, pulse width modulation, and the fun, all can be done on the firmware, hardware and firmware DIY learning. That's so-called analog heart, digital brain. I hope you know what it means. How to make a successful project and all the good stuff that is awesome in the name of shareware and courseware. The heating issue is set aside, and let's hear some real-world acoustic performance there. This is the noise level in my room. Let's start the demo. 那一天我漫步在夕阳下，看见一对恋人相互依偎。Alright, that's gonna be the end of my demo for the Nedan Winter Camp. And this is live, gentlemen. I'm going to edit this video right now and publish it to my friends who do not know anything about Class A and the performance of Class A. Yeah, let's do that.